I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop capturing HEIC photos on your iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the menu until you find Camera and then tap on it. Step 3. Tap Formats at the top of the camera settings screen. Step 4. Look for the Camera Capture section and then tap to select Most Compatible instead of High Efficiency. Once selected, your iPhone will stop using the HEIC format and will start saving all new photos as standard JPEGs. And if you've already taken a lot of photos in the HEIC format and you're worried about how they will look when you send them to a computer, you don't necessarily have to convert them all manually. Further down in the Photos section of your Settings app, there is an option for Transfer to Mac or PC. If you set this to Automatic, your iPhone will check the receiving device and automatically convert your HEIC images into JPEGs during the transfer process if the computer doesn't support the newer format. It is also worth noting that switching to the Most Compatible setting will have an impact on your video recording capabilities. High efficiency is required if you want to record video in 4K at 60 frames per second or 1080p at 240 frames per second. If you find that you suddenly can't select those high-end video modes after making this change, you'll need to jump back into the Formats menu and temporarily switch back to high efficiency to unlock those professional video features. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.